Stop buying expensive hair oils. I mix this powerful seed and herbs, and my hair grew so fast, thicker and shiny in just a week. If you want long, fuller natural hair, watch this video to the end, because this video is going to be a game changer for you and you will come back to thank me. Okay, my queens, what I'm starting here, I'm starting with cloves. Okay, you can see it very clear. Okay, so cloves, please let me know in the comment section what name your mother language, what name are you calling cloves. Okay, clove is stopping hair falling. Also, clove is making hair growing very fast. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair fast, please add cloves into your routine. Cloves is fighting for dandruff. If your hair is having dandruff, cloves is very powerful. Clove also is having vitamin A, C and K, so it's very powerful. Our next ingredient now is rosemary. Dry rosemary is one of the powerful ingredients that's when it's come to a talk about hair growing. Using rosemary is one of the powerful ingredients. So rosemary also is growing new hair, is thickening hair. If you have thinning hair, you are using rosemary, you get thicker hair. Rosemary is also help to build support, so it's very good. Rosemary is also having vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin B6, which is very powerful for hair growing, for our scalp. So now our next ingredient is lavender, dry lavender. It's also very nice. For me, I'm in love with lavender. Smell alone is amazing, and when you come to check about the benefit that lavender also have, is another level. So lavender is also calming the scalp and also supports stopping itchiness. If your hair is itching, you are using lavender, your hair will stop itching. Lavender also making hair to start shining very nice. It's also having vitamin A, B and 6. So now our next ingredient also is flaxseed. Guys, look at this flaxseed. These are the powerful ingredients that I'm going to use. Flaxseed is very strong hair, is less breaking, is giving protecting your hair from breaking, is stopping your hair. And also flaxseed also having omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, it's also having vitamin E, B1, B2. What do you want again? This is very powerful, because your scalp need this. Please do this oil and come back here to thank me. So my people, our next ingredient is going to be fenugreek, right? Fenugreek is also one of the powerful ingredients, especially if you want to make protein treatment. I'll advise you to use fenugreek. Is very powerful. Fenugreek also is stopping hair shedding, is growing baby hair, is also making hair thicker. And also fenugreek is having vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and iron. What did you want again? These are the powerful things that our hair need. There are some things that sometimes your hair also need, or your scalp also need to need care. So you have to give it a little bit pamper. You have to pamper your scalp a little bit. So now our next ingredient that I'm going to add, which is also one of the powerful ingredients, star anise. Have you ever heard star anise also before? If you don't hear, do your research about adding star anise into your oils. Star anise also is faster hair growing, is growing hair very faster, and also giving your hair natural shining hair. It's also cleaning your scalp, okay, while you are using it. It also is having vitamin A and vitamin C, which is very powerful. So now after star anise, the next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be my hibiscus, because these ingredients, I cannot go with all these powerful ingredients without adding hibiscus. If you watch me long, you know that I'm in love with hibiscus. So now hibiscus also is growing hair long, long hair, also strengthen your roof. Your scalp will get more stronger and prevent your hair from premature gray. If you have gray hair in your hair, you are using hibiscus, it's going to cover it for you. Hibiscus, it's also having vitamin C and vitamin A, which is very good. Now our next ingredient is fennel seed. Fennel seed also is one of the powerful ingredients I'm going to tell you. Powerful seed that you should add. If you are not using it, try to start adding fennel seed inside your things. Fennel seed is also shining, giving your hair natural shining. It's thickening hair, also strengthening hair roof, and also it's having vitamin C and vitamin A, which is very powerful. All these things, your scalp need it, your hair need it. When they are talking about hair growing oil, it's not like those oil. I cannot tell you that those oil are not growing hair. It depends of the things that they are going to use to infuse that oil. That will change everything. So now I'm adding my sesame seed. Have you ever known that sesame seed also is one of the powerful things that you can use to grow your hair? If you don't know, learn it today, and also you can do more research about your sesame. Sesame also is darkening hair. Okay, if your hair is, you have gray hair, it's also darkening hair, it's strengthening hair, also no spill ends. Okay, sesame seed also having vitamin E and vitamin B, which is very, very powerful. Now I start to blend all these powerful herbs, aloe vera herbs, and the seed together. I start to blend. I have to make it a little bit rough way. This amount is okay. This is the way that it's okay for me to use to do my thing. My people, now after blend everything, I need about 5 to 6 tablespoons of it. Okay, so I'll measure and see if I can get like 5 or 6 tablespoons is going to be enough for me. But if it's not, if I don't get that amount of tablespoon, then it means I have to blend small amount. I have to add all the ingredients small and blend it to get 5 or 6 tablespoons. So now I'm going to put it inside of my bottle. This bottle I'm going to do double boiling method. Actually, normally I usually infuse my oil and keep it for 1 month or 2 months even before I strain it. But now we are out of oil. I don't have oil for my daughter hair. I mean myself, I don't have oil again. So that is why this oil is not something that I can just allow it stay up to 1 month. Maybe after some few 1 week or 2 weeks that it's going to stay and I bring it out. So now I'm going to, what I say, I get about 5 tablespoons. So I put everything inside. So now the next thing, my first career oil that I'm going to add is sweet almond oil, because my daughter is having C hair. Me myself also, now I have a low prostate, the same thing as my daughter, because like I got heat damage. So my head damage, it caused me to, I was having high prostate hair. Now I have a low prostate hair. Maybe someone may thinking, how can someone have high prostate hair and now she's saying she have low prostate hair? Yes, if you have heat damage can cause you to get low prostate hair. Chemical damage can cause you to get low prostate hair. So now my hair is no more high prostate hair, it's low prostate hair. So now it's come to be I and my daughter, we are all using the same oil. But this one I'm going to add those carrier oils to make sure that maybe if you are going to make yours also, if you know your hair type, try to check and see your hair type and use the right oils to infuse the ingredients. No problem, but the oils I will advise you, if you can get your hair type oil to infuse it, it will help you more. So now after sweet almond oil, I added my jojoba oil inside. Sweet almond oil is softening hair and stopping hair breaking. It's also adding shining to your hair. Why jojoba oil? That one I'm just pouring inside hair. Jojoba oil is also testing dry scalp, okay, and helping to grow hair faster, and also balancing the scalp oil. Your own scalp also, you have already have the oil from your scalp, the natural oil. So this one also is going to balance that oil to make everything great for you. So now our next oil is going to be my mustard seed oil. Mustard seed oil also very fast hair growing. If you want your hair to grow very fast, try to be using mustard seed oil. It's growing hair very fast. Mustard seed or mustard oil, yeah, also very fast hair growing, thickening hair and strengthening your hair roof. your scalp is going to get more strong. You know, mind you guys, if whatever that you are doing in this life, the beginning, when your beginning is calm, strong, everything is coming easier for you. Let's say you have you are going to make construction. Definitely you want the foundation to be very strong, right? If the foundation is strong, then the up you are not, there's no any scaring anything again. So you always try to make your scalp get more strong. So now the next oil that I'm adding inside is my carrier oil, which I made for myself. That is my avocado oil. Okay, avocado cold press oil I'm adding into my things. So this one also is very powerful. So that oil also, that avocado oil also, pure avocado oil, no chemicals, nothing, homemade avocado oil. It's also deep moisturizing and repairing damaging hair, and very soft, adding soft to your hair. So it's very powerful, guys. So now guys, I put it into a double boil metal conditioner. So this way I'm going to do it for 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes that I'm going to do this double boil metal. So after 40 minutes, the next thing you can see that I'm covering my oil. Now it's ready, but I'm not going to strain it today. I'm going to keep it for 2 weeks. So I will see you guys in 2 weeks later. Okay guys, now today is going to be our oil. We are going to strain the oil today, right? So today is the 2 weeks, is 2 weeks now. So today that I'm going to strain it because I don't have oil. If not, I would have allowed it stay for like 1 month or 2 months before I bring it out. But because of it does not stay long, guys, I'm going to do something. So you need to watch very well and see what I'm doing, so that when you're also going to make your oil, you can do it that way. You see the first part when I strain it. So now I take my oil, I strain it again, because when you use the sieve to strain it, it's not, you know, sometimes the chaff is still be inside. You have to strain it very well. So with another filter again, or cheese cloves. So now the remaining, the chaff, I'm not throwing away. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put oils inside and leave it for maybe for a month, because I will use it after I finish this one. So the oil that I'm adding inside is my sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil, actually I was look for it, I couldn't get some, but when I went to take it, this year, that was the beginning of this year, I went to take it, I brought it from Take, but that's the last one I poured inside. So now after the sesame seed oil, the next oil also, I pour my aloe vera oil inside, but that one I didn't put everything, I just put half. So the next oil is going to be rosemary oil. That one also I will not pour everything. I'm going to make it half and leave the one half again for another to use it for something else. So I put that one also half inside, right? Rosemary, let's say sesame seed oil, rosemary, and aloe vera. So now my jasmine oil, that one I'm going to add inside. That one left less, so that one I pour everything in. It's not enough, so the what I'm going to add now is my sweet almond oil that I'm going to put inside. As you guys know, if you do research, you can see low prostate hair, you know, sweet almond oil is the best oil for those who have low prostate hair. So that's why I'm using these oils to make this powerful infused oil. So the one that I'm just mixing right now, guys, is not something that to use maybe 1 month or 2 months. No, that one I was just going to put it somewhere, and maybe if I don't, but you know, after that also I'll add a little bit of hibiscus inside. As you guys can see me, I love hibiscus, it's very good. So now I'm adding hibiscus inside. I'm going to mix it again and cover this thing. Maybe it can stay there for 3 months. It depends on how long that I'm going to use the oil that I strained today. So that one, the one that I'm preparing now, I'm not going to put it back to make even hot oil, to make double boil metal again. I will just going to mix everything and cover the mouth and put it in the dark corner, the place, a place that maybe I will not forget, I will forget or not forget, because time to time, if you don't forget, if you just remember, it comes to your mind, you just go and pick it and shake it and put it back where the place that you keep it. Just leave it that place until the time that you finish using the one that you strain. Then that's the time that you can bring this one again and strain it and start reusing. That time the oil also is ready. So that is why I always do, if I do my oil, I make a double boil with method and leave the oil for like 1 week to stand, 1 week or 2 weeks. Then the remaining, you see how I'm shaking it. If you take it, that is the way, that is exactly how you need to be shaking your oils all the time. So now after that, I put that one aside. I'm bringing this one. I'm going to add some essential oils. The first essential oil that I'm adding is my jasmine essential oil. So jasmine essential oil also is very powerful. It's helping your hair to calm your hair, to smell very good, and also regrowing your hair, making your hair more shining and softer, which is very nice. And you yourself, when you just touch your hair, you are going to smell it, you are going to feeling it. So the next thing is my powerhouse, what, lavender. I love lavender. I love lavender because that one, the smell alone is something else. But when you talk about the smell, you talk about the benefit that lavender have, it's mind blowing. So now after that, I'm adding vitamin E oil. That one I'm going to add maybe 1 tablespoon, because you see the oil is much. And vitamin E oil is also repairing damaging hair. And also, if your hair is shedding, like if you have your edges is not calm, you are adding vitamin E oil into your routine, you are going to get the healthy, repair all your hair. So after that, I added my black castor oil. The castor oil also is strong in the hair, also regrowing your hair faster. So also is very, very good, castor oil. So that one also I add into my things. You see where the place that my daughter is sitting, guys, you see she just come on top of the table, she's sitting on the table holding, picking things. So now you see the oil that I got in my hands, right? So now that is the oil. Now guys, how to apply, you can use this in at least let's say 3 times a week or 4 times a week. Try to massage your hair. Before you massage your hair, always try to hydrate your hair first. After hydrating your hair, you use the oil in your scalp before. Now guys, you can see my daughter, how my daughter is sitting. What we can do is, I'm going to hydrate it, but the hair is already having some damp. I'm already did it in the halfway, but because of you guys, that's why I just say, okay, let me just show it to you people. What you have to do is to put the oil into your scalp. Okay, put this oil, if you make it, you have to put into your scalp. Start from the scalp and massage it a very gentle, especially if you are going to apply it to your child. Try to massage her hair very gentle. Don't be in harsh with her hair. Massage it very gentle to her, so that she will not feel any pain or anything. And also after that, you can add if you have leave-in conditioner, go ahead with your leave-in conditioner and your butter to seal all the moisture into your hair. And this one also, don't use this oil while your hair is dry. Always try to damp your hair a little bit. Okay, my daughter hair is already wet, but it's a little bit damp, so that's why I did not add anything again. So try always to damp your hair small before use these oils if you want to get the faster results, like what I'm talking. If you want your hair to grow faster, don't be using oils while your hair is dry. That one will not help you to get the healthy hair or long hair that you are looking for. You cannot get it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I love you people. Bye.